2 decades of pioneering success, empowering through connection, mentorship, education, and professional development. 20 years ago, Elaine Wright Harris attended her first National Notary Association conference in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, marking the start of her second career and a journey of uplifting others. Inspired by the 2003 Notary of the Year, Jerry-Pierre Fleurimont from New Jersey, Elaine was moved by her stories of supporting fellow notaries. At the same event, she connected with Jamie Smith Liggins from California, the 2004 Notary of the Year, who became her mentor. This conference experience highlighted the significance of Elaine's notary profession, leading her to advance her career while helping others along the way. The National Notary Association Notary of the Year Award is an annual honor bestowed upon an outstanding notary public who exemplifies professionalism and ethical conduct. Recipients of the Notary of the Year Award are distinguished by their achievements in several areas, including community service, actively engaging and contributing to their communities; education, educating notaries on notarial best practices and procedures; mentorship, guiding and supporting other notaries; legislative work, advocating for and helping to enact needed legislation; service to the less fortunate, providing notarial services to those in need; innovation, pioneering new technologies and methods in the notarial field. The award highlights notaries who go above and beyond in their duties, making significant contributions to the profession and their communities. The very next year, Elaine was recognized for setting the example through her exceptional performance and contributions. She was awarded the 2005 NNA Notary of the Year Special Honoree, earning the tagline, "So much accomplished in so little time." Elaine Wright Harris of Bowie, Maryland, quickly made her mark in the notary field. Although she had only been a notary for a little over 2 years, her extensive notarial projects suggest a wealth of experience. One of Harris's most notable achievements came in response to a 2003 Maryland ruling requiring those who wish to serve as signing agents to first obtain a title insurance producer license. Wanda Moore, a Maryland title insurance producer, remarked, "She set the example by immediately registering for the August 2003 class, passing the exam, and acquiring licensing and bonding. She documented and shared information, findings, and experience with students and others contemplating becoming title insurance producers. By acting as a forerunner, this eased tensions for some and let others know that becoming a Maryland title insurance producer is achievable." Harris's achievements did not stop there. 4 years later, she was awarded NNA's 2009 Notary of the Year. Recognized for staying the course to educational initiatives during changing times, commitment to elevating the notary office through professionalism and education. A chance encounter with a notary during the 2002 refinance of her home led Elaine Wright Harris to a new career as a notary signing agent and rekindled her passion for teaching as a notary instructor. Today, Wright Harris exemplifies the highest standards of the notary profession, tirelessly working to elevate the office through her dedication to professionalism and education. Elaine and her husband, Frederick, have been dedicated instructors of notary public procedures at Prince George's Community College in Largo, Maryland, for 22 years. They proudly display their notary commission certificates at the Prince George's County Clerk's Office in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, celebrating their 5th commission renewal. Elaine also provides notary public procedures courses for the Maryland Secretary of State and title pre-licensing and continuing education for the Maryland Insurance Administration. She has presented workshops at the National Notary Association conferences for the past 20 years. Doing things right, one detail at a time, innovative and legislative work. 2010 NNA Notary of the Year, Daniel C. Lewis. Elaine reached out and recognized Daniel's potential and nominated him for the Notary of the Year Award. Daniel is a diversifier, mixes, expands, broadens ideas, skills, knowledge, and experience to serve, teach, and support a variety of clients and entities in the community. Daniel Lewis met Elaine at the 2005 National Notary Association Conference. Reflecting on their first encounter, he said, "I am so happy that I had the courage to go up to her and speak to her for just those few minutes as she autographed the Notary magazine for other notaries." Their brief interaction blossomed into mentorship. Daniel became a mentor and educator for notary signing agents in Indiana, striving to enhance the quality of service in his home state. His dedication extended to serving as a notary public advisor to the Indiana Secretary of State. In recognition of his contributions, he was honored with Indiana Secretary of State Award in 2010 for his work on the Indiana SOS Notary Public Committees. Not content with simply doing the job right, Daniel Lewis epitomizes the best in notary professionalism, leadership, integrity, and public service. Jeannette Ramcharan, 2018, NNA Notary of the Year, working hard to make people happy. Service to the less fortunate. As a respiratory therapist, Jeannette noticed that many of her elderly and disabled clients struggled to reach a notary when they needed documents notarized. Determined to help, she decided to become a notary herself. In 2014, she enrolled in notary classes at Prince George's Community College, where she met Elaine Wright Harris. Jeannette Ramcharan built her career on a passion for health, well-being, and financial planning. She takes pride in her unwavering commitment to helping the elderly, disabled, and others with severe medical conditions. Her mission became even more personal when, at age 38, she was diagnosed with breast cancer and became uninsurable. One of Jeannette's most significant achievements is co-founding the Heaven Sent Foundation with her sister. This charitable organization assists children, individuals, and families facing hardship or emergency needs. Wanda Moore, 2020 NNA Notary of the Year, Special Honoree. Dedicated to notary education, Elaine recognized Wanda as a supporter and champion of goodwill. Wanda Moore was introduced to the notary profession by Elaine Wright Harris. She has supported and educated notaries public for over 20 years. Wanda has testified at legislative hearings to advocate for notaries independently performing loan closings in Maryland, participated in seminars to gain insight and clarification on significant new notary public laws, and is an adjunct instructor at Prince George's Community College. Wanda is dedicated to helping those in need. She coordinates Giving Back to the Community projects among notaries for the annual MD Notary Public Day program. These initiatives support international and national disaster victims, organize food donations for those in need, and conduct school supply drives for students and teachers. Additionally, Wanda offers on-site notary public services to her residential senior citizen community. Debbie, Best-Schneidmill, 2024 NNA Notary of the Year, Champion for Notary Education and Procedures, Mentorship and Education. Elaine recognized Debbie as an employee educator, collaborator, and community service volunteer. Elaine says, Debbie put S in service and V in versatility. 4 decades ago, Debbie Best-Schneidmill began her journey as a notary at a small law office in the District of Columbia, serving as the lead notary. In 2012, she attended a notary class at Prince George's Community College, where she met Elaine Wright Harris. Elaine recalls Debbie's helping spirit, which led her to coordinate a notary best practices training for 71 notaries at her law firm, and coordinated with Elaine Wright Harris, who conducted the session from the firm's DC office via video conference to locations in Boston, New York, San Francisco, Silicon Valley, and Los Angeles. Debbie has worked closely with notary officials in the District of Columbia for several years to enhance support for notaries and improve training and educational materials. She co-presents workshops on notarizing in the District of Columbia with the Director of Notary Commissions and Authentications, Judy Gold. Ms. Gold remarked, Debbie is definitely an absolute professional and has incredible knowledge of notaries in both Maryland and DC. I rely on her background. On March 27, 2024, while Elaine and Frederick were teaching a notary procedures class via Zoom, Wanda Moore delivered the exciting news that Debbie had been named the 2024 NNA Notary of the Year. Could anyone be more thrilled?
I have a good news for you.
You do?
I do. And just to let everybody know, we have a new Maryland Notary of the Year from Maryland, Debbie Best.
Hey! Oh, that's what Wanda said. Oh, y'all wonder why I'm so excited.
Today, Debbie is retired from the law firm, holds dual commissions in Washington, D.C. and Maryland, and is a title insurance producer independent contractor. This esteemed award honors notaries who exemplify excellence in the field through their outstanding performance and significant contributions, setting a high standard for others to follow. Please put your hands together for these exemplary professionals who stand out in our industry.